Hi students! Let's walk through how to view coursework details in Student Portal. To start, head to the navigation menu and select Coursework. It'll display coursework key details like title, subject, marks, and deadline. Let's quickly break down the status column. If the status says to do, it means your coursework has been assigned, but you haven't started or submitted it yet. If the status says submitted, you're all set. That means you've completed and submitted your coursework. Marked means it's been evaluated by the teacher with marks and feedback provided. Completed means the coursework is done and marks have been reviewed by you or a family member. There are also late status. A missed deadline means the coursework is overdue and you might lose access to it. Delayed status means you are past the deadline but late submissions are allowed. You can also click on the column header to arrange them chronologically. Looking for a specific coursework? Use the search bar at the top and type in the title to find it faster. Now that we know which to view, click on the corresponding row to open it. At the top of the page, you'll find a coursework summary that includes key information. Scroll down to the worksheet section to review the coursework questions and respective feedbacks. This section also displays points scored for each. And there you have it. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.